I'm looking at this French easel, and I was thinking, instead of making a new box for watercolors, maybe I could modify this one to look a bit like Jospeh Zbukvic's easel. The problem that I have with these easels here is that when you open them up, this drawer here, so it just sits here between me and the easel, and I have to sort of fold over. So I don't want to do that. I want it actually to, I want this thing to be on the side here and away from me. And for that to happen, I need to move the whole easel sideways like this, which means that this top has to open this way instead of opening this way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the whole top. I'm going to create a new top that sits on top of this and opens this way. I've removed the top now. I'll put this away and use it for something else later on, or maybe keep it for another time. And I've got this top here. Now what I've got to do is figure out how to make a box stand up this way for me. So I need to take measurements and make a top, and then figure out how to make it stand. So I'm going to measure this, and it looks like 20 3/4 this way. And 14 1/4, almost 14 1/4 this way. Yeah, 14 1/4 this way. Better write this down. So we got to measure exactly right. So we're talking about 20 3/4. And now we got to measure this way, and it's 14 1/4. Done. Now we just have to cut this out and then build a frame around it. So I cut the piece of wood to the size I cut for a sort of a frame for it. I made these sides of the frame a bit larger because they're going to hold a lot of the weight when it comes to the handling of the easel side. So I needed them to be a bit sturdier. And now I'm just gluing it on, and then I'm going to put some nails through it so that it holds on together very well, and we'll take the next step.